Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. All right. So today's episode is just like the title says. It is major news for me and my business. So this is something I've been interested in doing for a while now, even before I opened my window cleaning company. So this is going to be an add-on to my window cleaning company in 2 steps. So we're going to be launching a new service in a new city. So this city is up where my mom lives because she is going to provide the location. So that being said, the service is car detailing, not mobile detailing, but a drop-off service where they bring the car to me, drop it off or wait, and we'll get it nice and cleaned up. So this first phase is testing the market before I pull the trigger and go out and look for an actual location, like a shop or whatever. I don't know I have to get with a commercial real estate agent to even know what I'm looking for, because obviously I don't need anything that big. I just need, maybe 1,000 square feet of a shop, preferably with a bay door and a couple parking spots. So phase 1, it is going to test the market in that area with this drop-off service. I know mobile detailing is more, it's a little bit, it's better for the consumer because, you go to them, they don't have to, potentially leave their home, they can get their car cleaned while they're at work or something along those lines. But I don't want to do the mobile detailing just yet, only because of how this sector is going to operate. So the way it's going to work is I'm going to convert my mom's garage into a detailing hub. So the cars are going to be washed in the driveway, and then we will detail the cars in the garage. So I'm going to try to corner this market for this. I got the idea a long time ago from the channel that I follow, and I don't watch them all the time, but every now and again I like to throw it on, like when I don't have anything to watch or I'm doing something, I want to have something playing on my other monitor. Is the Detail Geek. So he initially started out, I believe, in his house, like he was building his home. So with building his home, he was able to get the builders to build him out. He was able to design a detailing shop set up in his garage. So he had everything, the vacuum in the wall, hose reels. He had the pressure washing and all that fun stuff, so he can wash inside or outside. So that was pretty cool. He had the drains and the floors. He had everything. It was pretty dope. But I think he recently upgraded to having his own shop. So what I'm saying is he's doing that in Canada. I believe he's in Canada, and people are bringing the cars to him, and he's charging a pretty good amount of money for his service. I'm not offering that kind. I mean, I will, but I'm not trying to charge what he's charging because he's more established. We're not going to be that established yet, but we will have fair pricing. It is going to be, it's just like mobile detailing. There's costs, and there's costs that need to be associated with our price model. So obviously we don't have rent yet, but we will have rent. So I need to make sure my pricing reflects that we will eventually have shop rent, utilities and all that fun stuff. So anyways, so the main reason why I wanted to go ahead and try this out is because my younger brother, who I've been teaching, who I have taught, and my father has taught him how to detail cars. So my background with detailing cars comes from my father, who was an auto body technician, and with that job came detailing cars. So I used to go to work with him at a very young age. He taught me how to paint cars, how to prep cars for paint, do Bondo, take dents out, all that stuff. And he also taught me how to wash and detail cars. And the cool thing was, when I was growing up, is my dad's clientele was a lot of people in the lowriding community. So therefore, detailing a lowrider is a lot of painstaking work, because people with lowriders have a lot of pride and love and money invested in these vehicles. Just the paint job alone is like something crazy, like 7 coats of clear and shit. So it's pretty crazy. But anyways, so my dad taught me. I've been washing my own cars for my whole life. You know, I've washed other people's cars when I was younger, you know, to make some extra money in the neighborhood and with my uncles and stuff. And then obviously my dad taught him when he lived with him for a while. So anyway, so my brother knows how to do it. I'm gonna obviously keep an eye on him for a while before I let him be on his own. But long story short, he wants to help me out, and I told him, okay, I will fund this. You do the work, and then once you're 18, when we branch out, I'll let you do. If you want to keep running the shop, you run the shop. If you want to set up a mobile detailing, we'll set up mobile detailing as well. But right now, let's work out of here and then get to the shop. And then once you're 18, we'll figure it out. So I'm trying to set him up for his future. So imagine he's 14 now. If we get this going, 4 years worth of work, 4 years worth of clientele, he's gonna outgrow this city. So that's why, you know, it's gonna eventually branch out and be its own business, because we're gonna be up here. But you know, it's not limited, but it's more limited than if he comes out here, if we do something in a different city. So anyways, so yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be launching that hopefully. You know, we'll see. I'm trying to see if it's gonna pick up steam. I already have the website. We're already ranking on first page for the keyword car detailing and the city. So we're first page, so that's good. I need to create more content, and I gotta get more online buzz going. I will be running some Facebook ads, and we'll see how those work and if they convert, and hopefully right now it's just brand awareness. I want to get my ads. I'm okay with spending the money for the exposure. So right now I'm just spending the ads. I want to run the ads just to get our name out there. Even if they don't convert for right now, that is fine. I just want to get the word out in that area that our shop, quote unquote, shop is opening up, and there's nothing wrong with starting it out of your home. So it's like I said, it's just a stepping stone to test the market, and if it continues, then cool. We have the market has been tested, and it is proving that it's going to work out. So we'll go ahead and go full in, and you know, go and try to get a shop going. I'm also going to try to partner with my friend that lives out there. He runs a window tint shop, so hopefully I can get referrals from him, and obviously I will refer people to him as well. And you know, hopefully that will also help drum up business. But yeah, so for the most part, right now we're in the building out phase. So phase 1 is, I like to call it pre-phase 1, is all the back end stuff, the website, the ads, and all that fun stuff. Phase 1 would be implementing this in the area, running it out of my mom's house. And then phase 2 would be expanding to our actual shop, getting our shop open. And then phase 3 is expanding from that, either expanding from that city and bringing that business model out to where I live and growing it out here as well. And then it eventually is just going to be its own entity. Right now it's under my window cleaning umbrella as part of an add-on service. Because the other thing too is, if I also want to get the mobile going, because that could be an add-on. Like, I'm already at your house, let's say cleaning your windows, like, hey, you know, we got the stuff in the van, like, you want to get your car cleaned while we're here, you know, an extra $50, whatever, $100. They might be like, yeah, might as well clean my car. Or vice versa, we're already cleaning the car, and be like, hey, you know, do you need window cleaning, you know, pressure washing? Do you need, you know, your house wash, anything like that while we're here, or, you know, the next time we come? Because the one thing about the car detailing game that I noticed is they're very loyal, and as long as you do good work, you'll get repeat customers. So that's the goal. So phase 1 is starting it out from where it is. Phase 2 would eventually is getting the shop, and then phase 3 is getting the mobile out and going from there. Phase 4 would be obviously expanding it into its own thing. I'll break it off. The shop would be its own thing. It'll still be an add-on once we get the van to the window cleaning part, because, you know, we already have the stuff. And then phase 4 would be expansion. So yeah, so that's the goal. Like I said, if once I get the things going, once I start getting business, I'm obviously gonna create videos showing, you know, us renovating the garage, how we're gonna set it up and all that fun stuff. But for right now, it is just a thought. Now I need to go out there and drum up some business and just get this thing going. But yeah, so, well, I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys are looking forward to this. We're gonna have, like I said, more content coming. Just gotta get out there and make this money, man. So if you like this type of content, put your hit the like button, subscribe, you know, share it with a friend. Again, these videos are just mostly to motivate you guys, so you guys can, if you want to make this money, it's just how bad do you want it. So get out there, get that money, and let's get it.